Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan chicken broth. Gather vegetables, herbs, and seasonings and start simmering gently for optimal flavor. Begin by roughly chopping carrots, celery, and onion to release their oils. Add smashed garlic and sliced mushrooms for body and color. Toss in kombu and dried shiitake to build deep savory notes without animal products. Keep the heat low and maintain a gentle simmer for a clear, flavorful broth. Toast or roast vegetables briefly to develop sweet, caramelized flavors before simmering. Add kombu and dried shiitake during the initial boil, then lower heat to a gentle simmer to extract umami. Stir in nutritional yeast for savory body and consider a splash of soy or tamari for balance. Keep tasting every 15 minutes and adjust salt, acid, or herbs to fine-tune the profile as the broth reduces and concentrates. After simmering, strain the broth through a fine mesh or cheesecloth to remove solids and create a clear liquid. Cool the broth quickly by placing the pot in an ice bath before transferring to airtight containers to preserve freshness. Store in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze in portioned containers for easy use. Reheat gently on low heat and taste before adding final seasoning for soups, gravies, or sauces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.